Here's how to use Elektron Song Mode. Hold Song Mode and press Yes to enter Song Mode. Hold Song Mode again and press Right to enter the editing screen. You can also press Song Mode twice to enter the editing screen quickly. As you can see, the song is empty, so let's add a row by holding down Function and down. We can also delete rows by holding down Function and up. Now there's another way of inserting a bunch of rows that I like, which is to press Yes when the song is empty. And it says Create rows from current chain or from new chain. Select from new chain, and it says select patterns in the desired order to create the song's rows. So if you already know which patterns you want to play in what order, you can use these trig keys to select those patterns. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 13, 15, something like that. Press Yes, and you can see that new rows have been created according to those patterns in the order that I input them. Each row can be edited with these knobs. We can label each row by selecting a keyword from this menu related to song structure. So for example, this can be intro, outro, verse, chorus, and so on. Select a pattern to play. Hold down Function while turning the knob to switch between different banks. And we can set how many times the row will repeat. We can also set the row length in the number of steps. This ranges from 2 to 1024 steps. BPM can be set individually for each row. If I press Yes while the BPM is highlighted, it opens up the tempo menu. Notice that it says row number 1 BPM and row number 1 swing. They can be both adjusted from here, or hold Function and press Yes to toggle between song BPM and row BPM. If you want to use 1 BPM for the whole song, set this to song BPM and adjust the tempo. And when I go back to the editing screen, you can see that all rows now have the song BPM. The last column is mute. We can press Yes to open this menu and mute certain tracks. If there were tracks that had been already muted on the pattern, this menu would reflect the pattern's mute status when we open it. In addition, we can also copy a row by holding Function and pressing Record, and paste it by holding Function and pressing Stop. To title a song, hold Song Mode and press Up to go to the menu. Select Rename, and we can edit the song title here. Press Yes, and once the song has been renamed, I can press Song Mode and down to load a song, and the titled song will show up here. A song can be up to 99 rows in length, and each project can have up to 16 songs. Now, lastly, let's talk about playing a song. At the end of the song, there is always a row called End. We can set this to either Stop, to stop the song after it reaches the final row, or Loop, to play again from the beginning. Once the song starts, this arrow, called Playhead, moves along with the song to show which row is currently playing. We can come to the row number column and select a different row to move the playhead and start the playback from there. Press Stop twice to move the playhead back to the beginning. Now, while the song is playing, we have this progress bar at the top of the screen showing the current row number, the total number of rows, the rows label, and the pattern. This could be really useful for a performance situation. Hold Song Mode and press left to loop the current row during playback, and press the same combination again to return to the song playback.